Hey everyone, welcome to Taylor's Food Chemistry Talk Show. Breast milk is the best. Breastfed babies are protected against a huge range of infections and enjoy lifelong benefits, from to a lower risk of obesity and diabetes. The brutal truth is that if you are an HIV-infected mother living in poverty, there's no safe alternative. Formula-fed babies in the developing world are 6 times as likely to die in the first 2 months of life as breastfed babies and continue to be at higher risk throughout their first 2 years of life, simply because formula does not provide the same range of protective factors as the breast milk does. Therefore, some researchers argue that adding active components and antibodies for formula milk will save the lives of many children, but this remains a very distant prospect as human proteins are still difficult and expensive to manufacture. Instead of using human milk protein, researchers now can produce a cheap alternative, bovine lactoferrin. To better apply lactoferrin for practical purposes, scientists from the University of Queensland have categorized bovine lactoferrin in 3 forms. And today we are glad to interview Professor Grundle. Hey Professor, what is lactoferrin and what does it bring to human body?
Lactoferrin is a common iron-binding protein found in tears, saliva, and milk. Each lactoferrin molecule is composed of a C and N lobe, and each lobe is made up of 2 sublobes. Therefore, one molecule is able to bind 2 ferric irons and help iron transportation in human tissue. The iron contents determined in apple native holoforms or 0.9, 12.9, and 99.7%, which indicates that holo lactoferrin has the strongest ability to combine iron. Besides boosting iron uptake, it competes with many iron-liable bacteria and fungi to protect our bodies. The highest concentrations of lactoferrin are found in colostrum, the early milk produced for newborns.
Why do you research lactoferrin and what are your results?
As protein, lactoferrin can be easily denatured by heat. Factors such as metal ions, salt, and pH can also affect the functional properties. Processing conditions including storage, freezing, and spray drying are expected to affect the activity as well, thereby limiting its application. Our research showed that it is the binding of iron to lactoferrin imparted the changes to physicochemical properties, and the color intensity was higher for an increased level of iron, with the color shifted from yellow to red, and the color for native form of lactoferrin determined with a salmon pink.
Thank you so much, Professor. Overall, this research is of great importance for a few reasons. It examines the physical properties through chemistry experiments and analysis. It is the first published research categorizing lactoferrin in 3 forms as well as their physical-chemical properties. It provides basic knowledge that 3 forms of lactoferrin have different iron content. While selecting lactoferrin supplementation products, such as lactoferrin tablet, it is crucial to look carefully if the color of lactoferrin matches the form and amount labeled. It also provides the possibility to produce a desired lactoferrin, combining all the advantages from 3 forms of lactoferrin.